ano, it's just you know, to put water in your rice field. So the purpose of that is to bring water in your rice field. That's the purpose. Hi. Sangha tawag ng farmer dun. Ay, sangha. Sa amin, irrigation. Thank you, Ruby Love, for the love. Bato. Yeah, sleepy na talaga. But I'm waiting for 10, like 20 minutes more. 20 minutes more. Sangka. Irrigation in English. Yeah, iba sa inyo, sangka. In our place, it's also called irrigation. Hindi, sangka. Tapos ang dami lumot dun. Inaano lang namin yung lumot. Ginaganon, pinaglalaruan lang namin yung lumot. There's a lot of moose. So we remove moose in the irrigation because it's very slippery. Yeah. If you step on that water, you might you really you might slip on the moose. So we remove it. Yeah. We just like playing to remove it. Fish hook din. Hindi ko alam yun. 554. Yeah. Fish. There's no fish in there. There's no fish. Only in the, canal. Yung talaga, yung sa side ba? May fish dun. We have tilapia. I don't know if it's still okay. We have, tilapia fish in our fish, ano tawag doon eh? Fish, Reso. Thank you, Michael. Lalis. Oo, hito, dalag. Oh, masarap yun, oh, yung dalag. Ginagawa ng nanay ko, inano sa parang nilagyan ng gata. Mm. That's a great way to grow up. Mm. That's why we are born. We are born to be independent o ginataan. Because my mom teach us to be independent and to survive. Because when I was elementary, we know how to cook by ourselves already. Yeah. So my place, my school is very very far in my mom's house. So maybe there's so many barangay, maybe 3 barangays or 4, and you need to travel, like you need to cross one river, one stream just to reach in the school. That's why if a rainy season, we are, yeah. So we are, like for example, in rainy season time for rainy season, we my mom asked for, we have a rent like rent a room, like something like that, rent a room. So we can cook by ourselves like that. So we really know how to appreciate small things. Thank you so much. And even high school, my high school days also like that. During college time, yeah. And during college times, my mom really tell us to, to finish our college in a dormitory, not in a boarding house, because my mom know that if you are in a boarding house, you are free wherever you go, whatever you do. But if you live in a dormitory, there is a person who is very strict. You are not allowed to go outside if it's 6 in the afternoon. So before 6, you need to be in the dormitory. So visitors are not allowed uh, after 6. So you are not allowed to, your classmate will visit you or court you. Yeah, because we have curfew, and you need to learn how to clean up. You need to learn how to be kind and to, be nice to all of your dorm mates, something like that. Because at the end of the school year, or every trimester, they're going to score you, like they're going to rate you, how's your attitude inside the dormitory. Are you lazy? Are you something like that. They're going to rate for you. That's why I learn how to be nice to all the people surrounds me, and I know how to talk to a lots of people, because I learned that when I was in college in the dormitory. Because if I don't know how to mingle, you know, yeah, to mingle to my big sisters, to my roommates, I will kick out in the dormitory. Yeah. So I need to be in the dormitory until I graduated fourth fourth year. Yeah, because my mom not allowed me to go outside in the boarding house, because my mom don't want me to have a boyfriend. So when I was in elementary, high school, college, I really not allowed to have a boyfriend, because my mom said if you gonna have a boyfriend, they will not allow me to go to school. Yeah. So I really want to finish my college, my education. So I never do that boyfriend thing. Yeah. So that's my mom, and to learn how to cook, clean. Yeah, they learn how to cook. I cook myself. I clean by myself. My teammate or my dorm mate will rate you if you are really clean in your area. Yeah, in your bed, are you clean your bed? And your closet, are you clean in your closet? Because they're going to check that. Yeah. So what? Dennis, what's wrong for you? I'm just talking here. No, sanay ako mag-Tagalog, but Ruby Love don't understand in Tagalog. That's why I speak English. So he can understand me. Daraman. Gusto ko nga mag-Tagalog, mag-Bisaya na lang tani. 293. Sino nga ba siya? Madami piki. Madami piki. Padi. Ano na salita? Ano? Madami pako. Ano ba yun? Don't understand. It was a great talk. Yeah. 1-6. Wait, ano yun? Antonio. Ito si Antonio. No. I put it on so my friends could hear. Oh my god. They can hear me. Hi, everyone. The friend of Ruby Love. Yeah, of course. I know. I know how to speak Tagalog. I'm so broke. I can't even afford to pay attention. Oh my. Bravo. What's that same name? Bemaga, Bemaga. 10 minutes na lang, guys. I opened my live at 7. We just pulled into work site. Okay. Keep safe. I'm here at 7. Ruby Love. Oh, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. So, it's ano. It's 10. 3 hours na. See, if I don't have a family, I can do live early, like 7, and then I can end my live at 10 or 11, right? Because if I don't have, if I have a family, I cannot do live during 8 or 9 because we have to, I told him only a few minutes because he will fall in love. How gonna fall in love? Your workmate. Hi. Far out you are. Thank you, Antonio. Blaze. Yeah. So my life in the province is very poor. We are so simple. Hmm. I could say that. That's why maybe. Thank you. And I'm so proud of that. That was my life before. Because if I never experience those, maybe I'm not pursuing my dreams. I never insist to finish my education. Yeah, because we have everything, right? Yeah, but since I knew and I see how poor we are, that's why I'm really I'm really uh persistent to finish my college. Yeah. And since when in our province, when you apply there, you need so many backer like that. They will not hire you if you don't have any people that gonna back up on you like that. But me, in our family, we don't have that people that gonna back up us, to to hire me, because no one know me, no one knows us in my place. We are not well known. So I said I need to go to Manila, and I will find a job there. And good thing I hired here. Yeah. Even if even if I don't know anyone here, I never know anyone in here. I'm just a stranger here at first. I never know anyone. Yeah. I just apply, and I'm all alone. I'm just asking what to do.